Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome once again. Today we'll create bookmarks in Canva. Canva is a website which provides different kinds of templates, illustrations and designs which you can use to create your own presentations, banners and posters and upload them anywhere you want to. So we'll create two kinds of bookmarks, one by using illustrations and images provided by Canva and another kind of by using our own uploaded and designed illustrations and images. So I hope you will like this video. Before moving forward, I request you all to please don't skip the video and don't forget to subscribe till the end if you want to keep watching more such videos. So let's move to our video. First of all, we will click create a design and write bookmark here. So this panel will appear. We'll select bookmark 2 by 6 inches in size. We have created this page. So we can create more pages by clicking on add page or duplicate. We can delete it by selecting delete. So first of all, we will go to elements, which is at the left side, and we'll keep dragging down, and at the end we will find this grid. Select one of them and you will see it is pasted on. We will just click and it will paste on our page. So then we'll go to elements and you will see there are different kinds of elements templates templates are available. So we can select them and paste them on our page by clicking them. Now we can zoom them in and change the text. So let's write I love myself for this one. So we can change the text, change the color of text, and we can also delete these different kinds of images. These are different pieces, so if you want one or two birds, you can delete the rest of them. So this one is created. Let me show you another one. So I have written you can do it and just click on it and you will see there are different kinds of templates. Some of them are free and other are available for pro version. You can try out pro version if you want to. So which one you like, you just need to click on it and it will be pasted on your page. You can change the color of text, design or anything. You can delete whatever you don't like. So this is the first method. To create the second kind of method, to use the second kind of method, we have uploaded these different kinds of images. Let me show you. These are related to women's, so I want to create something related to Women's Day. So I have uploaded these different women related images, illustrations. So first of all, we'll select our background. To create this background, we will go to template and write flowers, and I like this background. Delete extra things like text. Now we'll go to our upload and select things one by one. Arrange them in your page wherever you want to. You can increase or decrease the size by clicking at one corner and dragging them inward or outward. Just like I am doing. So I have these different kinds of icons like stars, crown, heart shape. So I'm just clicking them and pasting them on my page. To create their copies, I will press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and I am arranging these copies. You can also change their direction by pressing this little circle under these images when we select them. So once you are satisfied with their arrangement, we will I just need to change the color of these blocks, and I want them to be more feminine, so I will use pinks or purples here. I'm also changing the color of this branch. It is now in green color, you can see. Now I want to create some text here, so I will go to template and write chat. You will see this chat template has appeared. Now I need to adjust it on the page, rotate it if you want to, and it is above these icons, so I will position it backward. Now we will readjust these icons, delete the extra ones and adjust the rest of them. Now go to text and select the text design whichever you want to. So I like this pinkish glow. Let's write here girl power, reduce the size and make sure it is in one line, fit it on our chat icon. You can also change the color of text if you don't like the original one. I'm just showing you techniques which you can use to be more creative and design whatever you want to. So we are done with this template, this bookmark. I have created more such bookmarks by using the same techniques and design. So the next task is to download these. For this we will select the download here, and this panel will appear. You can see here PDF is selected. We can select one by one images, or we can download all of the images. To download we will need to get pro version. For free version it is available with watermark. So I have pressed download. This panel is appeared. Change the name and location in your computer, and here it is downloaded. So I hope you like this video. For more such videos please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll be back with another video soon. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.